Let's fly together, reach for the sky. With learning and knowledge, we'll touch new heights. In the spirit of competition, we'll grow strong. Honesty and hard work will guide us along. Come on, little dreamer, don't be afraid. With effort and courage, success can be made. We'll build our confidence step by step. As we chase our dreams, there's nothing to regret. In this world of wonders, so much to explore. With curiosity and wisdom, we'll open each door. We'll support one another. As a team we will rise. In the pursuit of excellence, we'll claim our prize. So let's soar like eagles, let's aim for the top. With a heart full of dreams, we will never stop. Together we'll shine in the light of the day. Let's fly together.